how to change city in Uber driver app. Hey guys, welcome back to this YouTube channel. Today I will show you that how can you change city in Uber driver app. So let's get started. On this process, at first you'll have to open Uber driver app on your device, and after you open the Uber driver app with your account, from there you'll have to go the option account settings. So simply tap on account settings, and now from there you'll have to go the option help, and from there you'll have to choose report an issue. Okay, so from there you'll have to choose the options like I want to drive in a new cities, and after you choose this, from here you'll have to just give your new city name, your date, and you have to also confirm that will this change be permanent or not. So you have to confirm it, and after you done this, from here you'll have to just tap on the submit option, and after you submit, from here the Uber support or help team will review your problem or consideration and provide you some guidelines or information to change your city in Uber driver app. So this is the process. Hope you found this video helpful to you, and please don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel for more quick and short tutorial like this. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.